guys, happy Monday. We are going to get ready for our application problem. So as always, if you need to grab a piece of paper and a pencil, please do so quickly. And I'm going to get started. Hopefully everybody's having a great Monday today so far. Our application today is about some fruit, so I'm going to go ahead and start reading it. It said, Brianna bought 8 pieces of fruit at the store. Some were apples and some were oranges. I want you to look at my problem and see if you can find the numbers that we're going to be using today. Yeah, I only see one number in this application problem, and that is the 8. So I'm going to underline the 8.
Her good.
Oh, honey, careful.
He's sick.
He is sick. Okay, can you have Maddie help you?
No.
Thanks.
He's so sick.
Sorry about that. Apparently we have a sick little bear in our house. All right, so Brianna bought 8 pieces of fruit, and we know some are apples and some are oranges. So we've done problems like this before, but it's been a while. So what I want you to do is get started with drawing your 8 pieces of fruit. So go ahead and start drawing your 8 pieces of fruit and give me a pause, and then unpause when you have 8 pieces of fruit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now you should have 8 pieces of fruit, and they all look the same right now, but I want you to think about what was different about those pieces of fruit. I'm going to read it one more time just so you can think about what's different about them. Brianna bought 8 pieces of fruit, have that, at the store. Some were apples and some were oranges. Well, I know that some of these need to look like apples and some need to look like oranges.
He's sick.
He's sick too? Okay, thanks. So like we've done before, I want you to make some of your fruit apples and some oranges. So I'm going to show you what you can do to make them look like apples. Oranges are usually pretty circular. So if you want to make it an apple, you can draw a little stem and a little leaf on top, just like that. All right, so I want you to pause. Make some of these look like apples and some look like oranges. Oranges are going to stay like this. Apples are going to have the stem and the leaf. I didn't say how many need to be apples and how many need to be oranges. So go ahead and give me a pause, and then we're going to talk about it when you come back. I'm going to start making mine into apples.
Oh. Okay. He's sick.
All right, welcome back. We have Hammer here. I'll put Hammer over here. He's going to help us with our application problem today. All right. So yours might look a little different than mine, but it's not wrong because remember there's different ways to make 8. So I want you to go ahead and do a number bond. I'm going to do right over here. And pause if you need to. Okay. Now that you have your number bond, I want you to think about what goes in this hole on top. How much fruit did we start off with? Yeah, it's our magic number of 8. So let's go ahead and write our 8 in there. Now I want you to count up how many apples you have. I have 1, 2, 3. You might have a different amount of apples, but I want you to write how many apples you have in this number bond spot, in this part. Okay, so go ahead and count your apples and give me a pause and write your number in there. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3 apples. Okay, and now I want you to count how many are left that are oranges, and you're going to put your oranges in this part of the number bond. So go ahead and give me a pause and put your number of oranges in here.
He will get
Okay, thanks.
sick. He's very sick.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Yours might be the same as mine, and it might be different, but that's okay if it's different, as long as it equals 8. So I have 5 and 3 makes 8. Maybe you have more oranges and apples, or sorry, maybe you have more apples than me, maybe you have less apples than me. But it's okay if it looks different. All right, now we need to do our number sentence. We're gonna do our equal sign first this time. So I'm gonna do a number, our whole equals a part plus a part. So go ahead and make yours look just like mine and give me a pause. So it should be the whole equals part plus part. All right, let's go ahead and fill in your numbers. Remember, yours might look different than mine, but mine is going to have my whole first of 8.
Feeling good?
Good.
Just feeling good? No.
And actually, we will all have that same whole because that's the number we're given. So go ahead and write your 8. Now I need you to put your apple part in and your orange part in. So my apple part is 3. And your orange or my orange part is 5. So I have 8 equals 3 plus 5. I want you to go ahead and write your numbers in and then tell a grown-up your number sentence. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. It looks like I have some sick animals to take care of. Hopefully you guys have some good stuff planned for today after you are done with your work. I will see you next time. Bye.